Adding videos to your product listings is a nice way to increase your conversion rate, which leads to more sales. More sales helps improve your organic visibility, which leads to even more sales. This is a nice flywheel effect that happens on Amazon, on Etsy, on any e-commerce marketplace that lets you add a product video. This is why I want to introduce you to BoolVideo, the easiest tool on the marketplace to create videos for your products. All you have to do is upload your product images and they will create multiple different style videos for you. You choose the one you like best and then you go and do whatever you want with it. There's also different purposes for the videos. Like, are you trying to increase brand awareness? Are you trying to increase sales? All right, these are minor inputs that are one click from you, and then their software takes it and runs with it. It has never been easier to create dynamic videos from your static product images. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know. So why don't we get right to it? So once you've opened an account, go ahead, log in and click create video on the sidebar. Now I'm going to recommend using the AI video creator, which in my experience is the path of least resistance. It is intuitive, easy to use. I'm gonna go ahead and click it and show you rather than tell you. So as I mentioned, you need to simply upload your product images. I have a few different Etsy products that I pre-selected for this video that we can use to create videos. So I'll go ahead and click upload images. I've got this personalized recipe book that I'm going to upload. I'm actually going to not upload the color selection image from that listing, but we'll upload the rest of them and it will look great. The reason I'm not gonna upload the, this is like, think of it, if it was a sweatshirt, do you wanna upload the color chart or the size chart? Not really for these types of videos. They tend not to fit in. You really wanna highlight the value proposition of what makes people excited about this product. So I went ahead and uploaded the product images as you see here. Now we need to provide the product name and it says, tell us something about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just honestly copy the title. Okay, so we'll go back, copy paste the title, and then the description we can also grab right here and simply copy paste. There's not really a right or wrong answer, guys. So here you get to choose the video purpose. Do you want to boost your brand? Like, are you posting this to social media? Are you posting this to, somewhere like your LinkedIn and you're trying to create brand awareness and position yourself in your potential customers' eyes as an authoritative brand? Do you want to increase sales or introduce your product? I'm most likely going to be clicking increase sales because, hey, it's Ryan Hogue Passive Income, baby. We're reverse engineering the end goal. My goal is to make money, so I need sales. Let's skip straight to the point, right? The ratio, I'm going to go 1:1. Let's say, maybe we want to use this as a video on our Etsy listing or perhaps even an Amazon video ad. I love Amazon video ads. I've mentioned that before. In order to run them, you need a video. So this is where BoolVideo comes in. So I'm going to keep the video from AI generated. All right, and I'm gonna let it basically choose what it thinks is best based on the images and the description we provided. But if you also wanna do design templates, you can also select from the templates available. I'm gonna do AI generated though. I'm gonna click generate, just give it a few seconds to a minute to produce this. Honestly, while it works, we could even go to a separate browser tab and start on the next video because I do want to show you guys a couple different products. So how about we do a print on demand? We've got the cat themed Halloween sweatshirt. I'm gonna go ahead and add these images. Let's check back over here. All right, so it has rendered a few different videos for us. You can actually click the little slider here and you'll notice that it has made quite a few different videos for us. And now let's actually check them out. Just so you know, there is an edit button and an export button. So if you want to make changes, go ahead, click the edit button. It opens the videos in a new tab and you can go ahead and further customize these videos. If you've ever tried to edit videos, guys, I've done over 1,000 YouTube videos and it is still like the bane of my existence. I don't know why. I love editing images. I do not like editing videos. So BoolVideo has an in-web browser video editor. I love that. Keep it simple, right? This is where everything is trending anyways. So just wanted to let you know that it is one click of an edit button away to further customize. But let's check out some of these videos. There's audio, as you just saw. I'm gonna mute the audio. I'm actually just gonna mute the whole website, just so you know. So these are the different videos that it's creating based on the images that we provided. Honestly, like it may seem like it's quick, guys, but to really capture and hold someone's attention these days, as we continue to inundate people with way too much content, they're able to track online how long people are engaging with this content, including YouTube. YouTube likes it when people engage with our videos for a longer period of time. So the quick hitting frame change. I'm actually a fan of. I think that helps. Also, you can upload your logo, your website, etc. As you can see, let's check out video number 3. And you can go ahead and add in your own like text. You see where it says like attractive, well designed, etc. You can go ahead and customize those guys. Again, just click the edit tab, right? You see over here on this video behind my head, another. It's meant to be customized, by the way, when it inserts those words. And they don't have to be standard like standalone black screens. As you just saw, you can also insert an image into the background, which I think looks better. You've got a grayscale image over here. I think the grayscale actually looks pretty good for the custom recipe book there. Notice it's using the word, it's like it keeps pulling the word customizable. You'll notice we see the word customizable a lot in these 3 videos, and that's because it is pulling from the content we provided, right? Over here, it's the customizable recipe book, and their AI understands that and is inserting those words into the videos that it generated for us. Now, we probably don't need 7 videos, but maybe you do, right? If you're active on social media and this is one of your most popular products, allow it to resonate with your audience, get it out there. And I mean, honestly, why not do video? Video is better than static images, again, for getting people's attention, you know what I mean? Also, video, the algorithms on social media that track engagement, like they're able to get more insights from a video, right? Because they know how long you looked at it. With an image, they can kind of guesstimate with like how long it was, in your frame of view on the app as you scroll through the feed, like Instagram or something. But anyways, there's also a regenerate button. So if you are not a fan of the output, you can go ahead and click that. Now let's go back and do one more video. What do you say? We have the Halloween ghost cat sweatshirt. So let's grab that. Whoops. Let's go ahead and grab this. Pop it in here and then describe the product. We'll just do the other half of the title this time. I'm going to click continue. And let's say we want to like optimize a video for social media to show up in an Instagram feed. So we'll leave the video purpose on boost your brand. We'll do the ratio 9:16. Video from, keep it on AI generated. I don't think there's any reason not to do that. Keep it simple. All right. And we've got a few different videos to check out. I'm going to hide myself and speed them up this time. All right, so that seems like we have looked at, quite a few. And did you guys notice that it says, oh no, there's 7 videos. So it says, get spooked in style. You know what I mean? The AI is reading the inputs we gave it and it's creating these outputs. Get spooked in style. Like it understands it's a Halloween sweatshirt. Down here, get in the Halloween spirit with our ghost Halloween sweatshirt, Halloween spirit with our spooky and adorable ghost cat sweatshirt. So they're integrating AI based on the input we provide, the text input, and overlaying that on the graphics that we included, and then using that to create video. You know what I mean? Like people prefer video to static, boring images. That is really the point of BoolVideo, guys. It's never been easier to use, and there is endless reasons to do so. Obviously, like I said at the beginning of this video, having a video on your product listing, I'm thinking Amazon and Etsy immediately. That is a low-hanging fruit way to increase conversion rate. We said increased conversion rate means more sales means improved placement in search results, which means more organic visibility, which means more sales, guys. I mean, this is a no-brainer. This is how it works. So leverage tools like BoolVideo that are integrating with AI that are constantly getting better. This tool is new, guys. This just launched recently, about a month ago. I don't know where it's going to be a month from now, but I'm excited to be a part of it. So I will link it in the description. Make sure you go sign up, check it out, use it. All right. Don't just sign up, actually use it. All you have to do is upload those product images, let the AI generate multiple videos for you, and then roll with the best one. It's that simple, guys. You know what I mean? It's a beautiful time to be alive. That's all I have to say. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe on your way out, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video.